We're on another adventure. We're taking you to Sandcastle, and we're here for one reason only: to see Santa Claus. And we're taking you along with us. Let's go.
There's Santa.
Santa? Not Santa!
For the boom.
How are you? Everybody having fun?
Yeah!
Hey!
It's a fall party!
You guys been good this year? You know what you want for Christmas yet? What would you like for Christmas? What's like your big gift, your number one? Okay, we'll get some time. What about you? What do you want?
Do you want a penny?
Really very popular. Give me a high five on that.
Santa.
But you gotta remember, hey, you got a couple more months. You gotta be good, okay? All right.
Heck yeah.
Thank you guys for stopping by.
Thanks, Santa. Thanks, guys. You too. I got that pin. That is awesome. There's a sticker also.
Letters to the truth.
Oh, that's cool.
You gotta put it on your skin, not your shirt. It's wet.
We have letters to the troops over there too. That's pretty neat. Well, that was a quick vlog, but it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed it. It started getting a little bit cooler outside, so we thought we'd call it a day. If you enjoyed that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more. Until next time, have a beautiful day.